Hello, my name is Santiago Moreno, and welcome to 5.12 Behaviors of Implicit Relations. Today we're going to talk about implicit relations and what that means and their behaviors. So let's just go into it. Implicit relations still follow the same rules as functions. If dy dx equals 0, or dy dx does not exist at a point, then that point is a critical point. If the second derivative, if d2y over dx squared is greater than 0 at a point, then the graph is concave up at that point. Same if it's less than 0, that is concave down. So for number 1, let's consider that the curve 3x cubed plus 3 equals ln 4y squared in the xy plane. At the point negative 1 comma 1 over 2 is a curve increasing or decreasing. So the first thing we're going to do is derive the equation. So 3x cubed, I suck at writing, 3x cubed plus 3 equals ln 4y times 2 to the squared. So let's derive it. So on the left it'll become 9x squared, because we're going to take away the 3 because it'll become 0, and we just do regular power rule. And then this would become 1 over 1 over 4 4y, 1 over 4y squared, 1 over 4y, no, just 1 over 4y squared. It would be 1 over 4y squared, and then we multiply it times the derivative of the inside, which would be 4 times the derivative of y squared, which is just 2 times y. So this gets taken away, and this gets taken away, and it becomes 9x squared equals, because we also derived it, times dy dx, it'll be times dy dx. So 9x squared equals 2 over y dy over dx. So what we're going to do is just solve for dy dx. So dy dx equals to 9x squared times y over 2. And now all we have to do is solve at the point negative 1, comma 1, 2, 1 over 2. So we plug that in, we'll get dy over dx equals 9, that would be, 9 times negative 1 squared would just be 1 times 1 over 2 over 2, which is the same thing as 9 times 9 over 2 over 2, which is the same thing as 9 over 4, equals dy dx at equals negative 9 over 4 at negative 1 comma 1 over 2. And because dy dx at the point is greater than 0, we can say that at negative 1 comma 1 over 2, the curve is increasing. But that's basically all for 5.12 behaviors of implicit relations. It's just reusing everything we have from optimization and condensing it down. But yeah, goodbye.